how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making crispy chicken wonton, guys. But before I cook, if somebody new in my channel, please don't forget to support my channel and subscribe me, guys. Okay, thank you so much. And I'm going to use 16 ounces ground chicken. I'm going to seasoning first right now. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garlic, half teaspoon white pepper, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, half tablespoon beef flavor, and I using this oyster sauce, guys. I'm going to add 2 tablespoon oyster sauce and 5 tablespoon starch, and put the starch with the chicken and mix it well first, guys. Okay, just like that. And now I'm going to add 3 pieces green onions and 5 pieces mushroom. Cut the mushroom and the green onions into small pieces, guys. The mushroom I cut small pieces like that, guys, and mix it with the chicken. Mix it the green onion with the chicken too, and mix it well first. And I'm going to use 12 ounces wonton wrapper, guys, and a little bit of water too. Take 1 piece wonton wrapper and take half tablespoon chicken and put the chicken in the middle of wonton wrapper. Put the chicken in the middle like that, guys, and take a little bit of water, put it in the side to make wonton wrapper get sticky, and then fold it and press it slightly, and take a little bit of water, put it in the side, and then fold it from the bottom edge, just like that, guys. This is from the front and this is from the bottom. The second one, do the same thing like the first one. Put the chicken in the middle and take a little bit of water, put it in the side, and then fold it and press it slightly, and take a little bit of water, put it in the side, and then fold it for the bottom edge, just like that, guys. This in the bottom. And the third one, do the same thing. Okay, just like that, guys. This is from the front and this is from the bottom. I make all of them already, guys, and now I'm going to fry. Put some oil, guys, and when the oil already getting hot, fry the wonton. Put all the wonton in and deep fry the wonton over medium heat, guys, and wait for a little bit. And when the wonton already turn golden brown like that, just take it out, guys. Okay, I fry all of them, guys. This is all the chicken wonton I make it today, guys, and you can eat it the wonton with any sauce that you like it. Okay, and I'm going to dip it my chicken wonton with the sweet chili sauce. This is sweet chili sauce, guys. The chicken wonton, guys, it tastes so crunchy, very crispy, and the chicken, it tastes so perfect, super delicious, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you so much, guys, for your sub. I really appreciate that, and have a great weekend. I love you all, guys. Bye.